Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best car emergency kits available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best car emergency kits, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. Haiphaik Emergency Roadside Kit. Having this multifunctional emergency kit in your vehicle provides a solid lineup of essentials to use until help arrives. It comes equipped with items like jumper cables, a tow rope, a flashlight, gloves, and a survival whistle. It's also small and compact, and we love that everything is stowed in a hard-sided case with closures that are easy to open, even with frozen fingers. The case lays perfectly flat on the ground, or on the hood or seat of your vehicle. The items are all secured in place with specific cutouts, helping you stay organized and level-headed in the moment. The only drawback worth noting is that this kit doesn't come with any extreme weather gear, which we recommend buying separately if you live somewhere that tends to get bombarded with heavy rain or snow. Number 2. First Aid Only All-Purpose First Aid Kit. This is also our top pick in our First Aid Kit Buyer's Guide, due to its well-rounded, affordable, compact design that includes all of the basics. The size makes it perfect for stashing in your car. We keep ours under the front passenger seat, and the nylon case is flexible to fit in funky-shaped spaces, but still abrasion-resistant and can handle getting banged around in the car. This kit has over 200 bandages in a wide range of shapes and sizes, for the smallest paper cut to larger scrapes and injuries. The variety of over-the-counter medication is also impressive, including aspirin, acetaminophen, and ibuprofen, though we recommend restocking after use, as it does come with just 6 tablets of each. The case is organized with easy-to-sort dividers, but we would like more internal organization. Number 3. Vcanenergy Car Emergency Safety Kit. This hefty, 10-pound kit may be heavier than other options, but it includes a multitude of items like 12-foot jumper cables, an air compressor with a digital readout, and a snow shovel and brush. Along with these items, you'll find a 55-piece first aid kit that contains elastic bandages, adhesive wound protectors in various shapes and sizes, burn gel, and over-the-counter meds, all well organized and clearly labeled. Lastly, the tow rope and tire repair kit round out pretty much anything you can think of needing on the road, making this our top pick for those who want a fully complete kit. While it's certainly beefy, storing it in the trunk is definitely the way to go to avoid having towed around a 10-pound kit. Number 4. Vtoman X1 Jump Starter with Air Compressor. This nifty little kit saved our butts on a recent remote trip to the Utah desert. When we arrived at our remote trailhead, we realized one of the truck tires had a slow leak. When we got out of the desert backcountry 5 days later, the tire was almost undrivable and we were 5 hours from the nearest gas station and out of service. Luckily, we had this little air compressor fully charged and ready to go, so we took a reading to gauge where we were at, set the PSI, and it worked like magic in less than 5 minutes, getting us off the dirt roads and back to town. This pack charges fully in just a few hours, and can inflate up to 4 or more truck tires on a charge, depending how low they are. You can also charge this in your car if you have an adapter, and it has a 2500 amp-hour battery to jump your car. No matter what level of prepared you want to be during a roadside emergency, there's no reason not to keep this powerful little tool in your glove compartment or behind the seat. Number 5. Lifeline AAA Destination Road Kit. This car emergency kit is our top pick for long-distance travel, whether you're on remote roads or crossing the country on the freeway. AAA worked with Lifeline to approve these items in the kit, helping ensure they're durable, reliable, and have everything you need no matter the situation. This kit includes an air compressor with an analog readout, as well as a pen-style tire gauge so you can see what you're working with before you start inflating the tires. The compact first aid kit includes bandages, disinfectant, gloves, and a selection of over-the-counter medication. Along with the jumper cables, air compressor, and reflective signage is a small collection of screwdrivers and other hand tools for making minor repairs, helping clinch this kit as the best comprehensive option for extended travel.